Welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. It really means so much to me that you're taking time out of your day to spend with me. And if you're new, please consider subscribing. And I thank you all so much for your support. Please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. And I have a box. It is actually from last month. It is the box by Fashionsta. I know it's late, but I wanted to show it to y'all anyway. This box got within like 2 hours drive from me, and for some reason the post office sent it all the way back to California, and it just got back to me. So I apologize that I'm late showing it, but I wanted to go ahead and show it anyway. If you're not familiar with this box, I'm trying to get this situated and leave a latest drink back there. If y'all were watching one of my other videos, you saw him drinking that drink and he laid it down over there. I apologize. I really don't like having stuff like that in my videos, but I just now noticed it in my video. I did not notice him lay it there. So if you're familiar with this box, it is, I think, $24.95. I started this box when it first started. I think it started June of 2019, and I got it July of 2019. I got on the first month, I got on their waiting list and got in the next month, so I was grandfathered in at their original price, which I think is great because most boxes don't seem to do that. I do have on my magnetic lashes, and they just kind of look funny to me from a distance. It makes my eyes look kind of squinted or something. Do they look funny to y'all, or is it just me? So I am going to show you this box. In case you didn't know, they send out mainly things like K-beauty brands. They usually send 5 or 6 full-size products. I am usually really happy with what I get from them, and I have gotten into some products that I had never heard about before, so I am usually very happy with this box. And they do donate, I can't remember exactly how much it is, but they do donate to I think it's a cancer fund, and I'm pretty sure it is in California. I can't remember the name, but let's see what came in my box. So it comes like this all the time, and we always have this card. They always bring it, and it has these things. I know some people don't like the black. They say it gets black on their products, but it does help keep the products from getting broken, which I would rather get my products all in one piece than have a little bit of black on them. I don't really care that a little bit of black gets smudged, but I understand that it is a problem that some people have, and that's understandable, but it doesn't bother me, and I've actually not had any products get black on them. I actually save these because if I send out things and I don't have anything else, like when I have a giveaway, I would rather make sure my products get to you all than worry about that. But I hope that's not a problem for anyone. But let's see what I got. The first thing I got is the Dirty Lamb Ultra Night Serum. This retails for $52. And I do like the Dirty Lamb brand. I've only used one other thing, and I did like it. So, I mean, it basically looks like a serum. It does have the clean, I don't know how to describe it, but Dirty Lamb, the products I've smelled, they have a clean smell to them, not overly chemical, if you know what I mean. I got some on my nose. They have almost like an essential oil type smell to them. Yeah, it smells nice, and I will definitely use that. I love skincare. A high antioxidant blend of natural oils, bringing liveliness and hydration to your skin while you sleep. It's vegan and cruelty-free. You all know how important cruelty-free is to me. So I love animals. I don't believe in torturing any type of animal, especially in the name of beauty. Again, that is my opinion. We all have our own opinions, and that's okay. But to me, I don't want to use things that an animal had to be. I mean, if you look it up, it's horrible. The things that happen to some of the animals in testing is just absolutely horrible. So I don't want to use anything that, I mean, in the name of health, I don't like it, but that is a necessity sometimes, I guess. But the name of beauty is not a necessity. That is something we just enjoy, if that makes sense. I'm not trying to step on any toes. That's just how I feel. So the next thing is a lash and brow serum. This retails for $25, and I think I will use these on my lashes. I mean, on my brows, because I've mentioned before, I have thyroid issues, and from about here over, I really have no brows. I know when I put brow stuff on, you can't really tell, but they get very sparse over in there, and you can't, I mean, this one you tell a little bit, but I'm going to try this on my brows. It says all natural, eye-friendly formulation to restore, strengthen, condition lashes and brows while growing new hairs. Vegan and cruelty-free. And then I got the Evo Beauty Lip Gloss. Retails for $14. Packed with moisturizing ingredients, keeping lips soft without the stickiness. Can be used as a blush or a highlight. Vegan and cruelty-free. Oops. So let's check this out. I've missed you guys. I know I have not posted much in a while. I've had this major migraine, and it's finally let up quite a bit. So there is the doe foot. There's the color. It's a pretty color. Not too light. I used to love lighter colors for my lips, but as I've gotten older, they just make me look, to me, I think they make me look really washed out. So that one's not too light or too dark. I think I will like that one. I don't really smell anything. So the next thing is these wipes. These retail for $12. Dead Sea Minerals Caviar to help minimize the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, remove makeup without irritation, and they're cruelty-free. And then I got this pretty olive green nail polish. Where's this? This retails for $9. Long lasting and chip resistant that applies flawlessly with a custom extra thick brush. Vegan and cruelty free. So, I mean, it's got the basic brush. It is a really pretty color. And I got this Pixie Palette, retails for $24. Mixed Metals Palette, 12 rich in pigment and payoff colors, adding depth and dimension to brighten and bring the light to your eyes. Cruelty-free and paraben-free. I'm not going to swatch this. I'm just going to show you the pretty colors because this is going in a giveaway. I would actually like to try this. I have seen other people who say the metals are really pretty, but I had it upside down. I have enough eyeshadows right now, and I have enough to do my reviews to show you all, so that I want this to go to someone who might actually need something like that. I don't want to keep a hold of it and it be a year before I can get to it when one of you might need that or want to try it. And then the next thing I got is the Kailyn Dual Eyeliner 2-in-1 Dual-Ended Pencil. Liquid Hypoallergenic Waterproof Eyeliner that delivers a wide range of eyeliner looks from soft to dramatic. So I guess I'm not going to open this because this is also going in a giveaway. I have enough liquid eyeliners. So this is, I guess, a regular pencil and then the liquid on the other end. So for right under $20, I got the wipes, the palette, the eyeliner, the Lash serum, the Dirty Lamb serum, the nail polish, and the lip gloss. These are going in a giveaway. So I think what I'm going to do is, of course, I'll add a few more things to these. Leave me a comment and include the word Pixie in the comment. And when I reach 650 subscribers, hopefully that's not too long because I'm already at almost 600, I am going to pick the winner of these, and I'm going to decide what else to add to this. I think I have some brushes that I set aside to go in a giveaway. Would probably be pretty cool, being a palette, to have some brushes to go with it. And the wipes, I've heard these are really good wipes, and an eyeliner. So leave me a comment and include the word Pixie, and when I reach, and it's Pixie, P-I-X-I. My Pixie, the dog, is P-I-X-I-E. But this one I saw just the other day, couple people were talking about losing out on a giveaway because they put in the word, I think it was skincare, and they put the word in as 2 words, and then when the person went and put in the name to do the drawing, they put it in as 1 word, I think's what it was, and a few people were kind of upset. So it is P-I-X-I, Pixie. So leave that word in the comment, and when I reach 650, I am going to come back and pick the winner. And like I said, in the meantime, I'm going to decide a couple other items to add with those, so it's a better giveaway. I think that's a pretty good giveaway. What do y'all think? I love you guys. I'll see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.